Good morning. Today we will be focused on fitness. I don't think people realize how much energy you have on a juice fast. Fruit is the main source of energy on this journey. I can honestly say that my energy has increased tremendously while on this journey. Yes, of course, the first 30 days were tough, but it was necessary for me to learn the do's and don'ts of juice fasting. I've learned so much and honored that I get to share my knowledge with you. On busy days, I'm not always able to make it to the gym, so it's nice to have equipment at home so I never miss a workout again. My pre and post workout juice will consist of 1 mini watermelon, 3 oranges, 3 apples, 1 whole pineapple, and 7 cucumbers. I know you're probably thinking, what's up with all that sugar? But the truth is, fruit sugar is not refined sugar. There are tons of studies that show sugars consumed as a natural source do not impact your health in an adverse way. The body doesn't metabolize fruit sugar the same as it does with refined sugar. My suggestion would be not to consume both at the same time because it could cause harm when added with refined sugars. This is one part of my juice fast that I know for a fact I will not miss: the cleanup process. The cleanup process to me adds to my exhaustion. I'm super tired after every juicing session, so I always take a little mini break before I do anything else. I go from prepping, which is annoying at its best, to juicing, and now cleaning. It's draining, but I still have to work out, so I am putting on my big girl pants and I am getting ready for the gym. I never really regret juicing at the end because it's always worth it. My pre and post workout juice totals 1 gallon. I drink half before the gym and after the gym. You will need it before your workouts for energy, and you will need it after your workouts to replenish your energy. It's worth it. Just to let you in on a little secret, I love leg day. It's my favorite day, favorite workout. I just love working my legs. I mean, who doesn't? The fact that I can still lift as heavy as I want makes this juice fast that much easier. In the beginning, it was tough because for one, I wasn't drinking enough juice, and two, I was not making my famous pre and post workout juice. It is a game changer. It really makes a difference. The first half is taken in maybe an hour or two before the gym. The second half is taken maybe 2 hours afterwards. However, I still have juices in between that were made specifically for morning and afternoon. Deadlifts and squats are my favorite workouts on leg day. I love curtsy lunges as well, lunges in general, but I don't know, deadlifts just does something for me. I think I was in the gym for maybe about an hour and 15 minutes because I wanted to vlog it, but I also wanted to make sure that I got in a good workout and not neglect my workout because I was vlogging. So when I'm in the gym, I still drink water. Throughout my juice fast, I don't drink water frequently, but it's really when I'm working out or I've been running all day and I just crave some water. That's the only time I drink it. But other than that, I don't really take in water that frequently. So I have a confession for those who have been following my journey. I know I said that I was done with cardio and that I was only weight training moving forward because I didn't want to lose any more weight. I did go for a 10-minute jog. I couldn't help myself. I miss running and it's something that I cannot wait to get back to. I know that I will gain some of my weight back quite quickly after this juice fast is over, which is fine because it allows me to really dive into cardio. But I am getting a nice massage and I am heading home. So my nightly routine pretty much stays the same. I always have my juice at night. This is actually the second half of the juice that I made for post-workout. So I am knocking this out. It won't take me long to finish this juice. I pretty much chug it down quite quickly, but I use this time to really spend with my daughter and my cats. I love my cat so much. He ran away earlier today and I almost had a heart attack, but I am so glad someone found him and he now has his solar back, so I'm super excited about that. So with my nightly routine that I didn't mention before is that I always read a book. My house is full of books. I love reading and drinking my juice and just chilling out after I read my daughter a book. So I am closing out tonight with a book and I am brushing my teeth. Just to let you guys know, I do brush my teeth multiple times a day because although fruit sugar isn't bad for your health, it can be bad for your teeth when you drink a lot of fruit juice and you're not really brushing throughout the day. I had to learn that the hard way, so make sure you brush your teeth.